ma Sompa TV son when you go ya ushe ebra swano pay and sama ya boano women mu say akai kasebo di kan ye de beda mo kasebo Sompa 90.7 wo febi Sompa 93.1 Sompa 98.9 mampengini na nado dan kwa kufado so man no ye de ensa kwhye apam krata se America dollars wo pepe ahenu ye de beboa enwuma enkumenkuma abatuo din churo ya obemfo na anajen opoko agema wa komprobo edin sembi atuja Sarah na director of corporate affairs wono so abatuo commissioner de futuo edema efa niema bi ayekoso abatuo din enchuro no asem na yebowremu ewo ensem fufromu a abatuo atena ye wabunkonta emprempren sede din churo no etimi akodu yebekon enkransan of yenya ntiese ni disi amanyokuo wa frena nanom abusumni asade abrunia ediafa edin churo ya afano south east wonom so a district security council yedimu asem ebebremu owura jomboadu akasa so onmonyamfo kodua fokuo panipa yedi amane so nkobo adwuma wo NIB no ese na efata ebika wano pemi kono konton krosolo wahini ni amakrancha dozos of mami premier ni yanjebre na veka sebonu amane yen wankasa nso yemfa emamo mampanyini na nado dan kwa kufado ene kasa ise wo maino edinsa kwasha pam kratas ne ECOWAS Bank for Investment and Development eno mu sika ebeba ya America dollars wo PPI enu wo so de beboa menwume nkumenkuma ye de amomse besia de apagya wo mu dwadie mu wo kasa o 31st African Summit ase enanu fiada no de asemi tu mu sefotro sanso afo ene dinsa kwasha kratas e wo Togo wawie hu eneme nyina we no wo sensi hu ebesi hu no eye kakra bi wo se wo mse nipa no wo rekwan ye empem ahenu adunum nanso aboroso akwakoye empem nan nanso ni nyina mu no Development Bank of Ghana any Monetary Authority of Singapore one man akabo mo wo mu kire mu se emfa wo se nipa no adoso no bo sha wo no ma hye no wo mu bedi so
development initiatives across our continent, strengthening the capacity and resources of our DFIs will enable them to mobilize capital more effectively and to channel investment towards priority sectors, including energy sector, transportation, and telecommunications. Ladies and gentlemen,
this end, in furtherance of our objective of providing financial access to SMEs, the Minister for Finance and President of the ECOWAS Bank for Investment and Development, EBID, signed last Friday in Lomé, in Togo, a memorandum of understanding for $200 million facility to be dispersed through the Ghana Commercial Bank and the Ghana Exim Bank to SMEs. The role of fintechs in ensuring that these resources reach SMEs and to monitor their growth cannot be overestimated. The 3-year Africa Summit stands as a powerful testament to our collective commitment to shaping a future where digital finance and technology drive inclusive economic growth and sustainable development.
Jumedia se na nanado dan kwa kufado bema boada asuna wamperekwa wono edina no disemse etuja enwumehia mobunfo na anaje opoko ageman ono na sabrei mampani dada ira John Dramani mama yi ni setu apemu a wotua ne pemu no ma pritumi afia bato ayebeto wono na memprobo mu a ehwedi ntrotro no se de akwakosie ene niema ayekoso wakosente bi ti se ewutu senya east eni ewutu senya west ya ni nyina so enfinfin emantremu na ebre okopie mu awusi senya east no okofankoje river isi atraye ene adwumayefo no ekotwetwe nkomo ono ne Ghana bakwasemu wo ba yayi no se wo mo obi akiri dom no wo pritumi ewo abato mu na no no kwa no hawa wodo a ode nani ehu de fa abato komisa wo mu dwumadi a wodi ehu no wode to mpanifo no anim
ekobone ana emra ma ho kwan obebo ame de nanka wense se ye enti so obi ekotwa mfoni Nia, Emraba na watu asese ma basabasaba. Amani a wo born na misumi bisa omuye. Because stations in the second day no. Ye nim say first day no na no man ko yie kra. Nti me na me kan say sa na tie dia onfa bi nkan wo kire say. Wo wote ho wo say 3 weeks. Ni senti wo ho. One can say 2 weeks. Instead of saying to a to Sompa day, a show one naked or 21 days, I know 20 days. I know the needs to say, oh, is it Saddam net that crew to Sina? Or Chadan Zaman, I show you go ye. In South America, there's Saddam not to that on Fat that chrono on Fankan.
And watching a Utu Senya is any DC parliamentary candidate on Munyan for Felicina Koyo and so then Anutu Subie, A2 Mabunu Funsa, woman share, Nianchi and Free and my bonny pinche, who were ya Ubuafua, train ya to a bar, no what to a bar, now the assistant by no.
Electioneering year, Mestre Kaswa, Mini Obiase, especially a baby say Mammo ends now, Emma Obi, and Befamo say Monko year at to trust them, and now Monke could take you, and now Monko Bo in Obi. There be election, no, it is about peace. So say young collar, or share registration and young collar. And now on a registration now we show the demographics of Eutu Senya East constituency now. Your youth no and the dorsal. Now your youth name so in Sebia a very not minister be say and not MP be say Eutu Senya East youth say no there be me so me youth am gina ha
on Munyan for Felis na kwayo wonu ne gina mu ma de hia Senya East wo pre emrache bedwano akonwa director of corporate affairs edema abato atran no Owura Bosman Asare kokobodi akoma mu nyina da titu ni amanyofo a wo mo twe nkoda wo mo fie nya nu yes so otwiro din a ode wo mo komia mia ne so wo mo twe hu free stade no o so manya entie bebre afa ho nam so menra wa friends and trefo e dia to mani.
We continue to receive reports that minors and non-Ghanaians are being encouraged by certain persons who are members of political parties to register as voters. The Commission has seen a report from the Western region, specifically in Impoho, where some 2 persons who allegedly facilitated the registration of 5 minors have been apprehended by the police. We wish to use this opportunity to urge parents especially to dissuade their children who are less than 18 years from registering as voters.
Similarly, we director of corporate affairs our boy Jumadima Bato atraye na ya church di kakra kwani mu wobu emu so enkonta Dr. Bosman Asare Kroyada na wo kasa wo se wo sha wo mamu ni nyina enema akoso totin me aye ba ko mienu miensa bi na niema bi basabasa sisisi wo de wo so ba nkramantam se no a enipa be se empem aduasa emiensa na wo no matwere wo mdin wo se emiaye bi wo ho a basabasa kakra so etimi koso enu so kire mu sei
that the disturbances occurring at some of our registration centers is due to the fact that some people are doubting the ages of some of the applicants. This is the reason why the Commission has been advocating for the usage of the Ghana card, which has the date of birth and the nationality of the bearers of the card, and the abolition of the guarantor system. We are hopeful that in the next registration exercise, applicants will use the Ghana card as the means of identification. Let me use this medium to remind the agents of the political parties and the general public that the challenge system embedded in the registration exercise allows the agents.
Dr. Bosman Asare, the director of corporate affairs, about to atena ye. Nano ni yes na busa ni se. Wo how any niema e wo mo so femu. Ono so wo mo so technical hitches ahodo e ba ye nyina wo mo sisi.
We wish to use this opportunity to tell the political parties and Ghanaians in general that the technical challenges we had have been resolved. And the Commission believes anyone who wants to register as a voter should be able to do so in his or her district. The Commission welcomes constructive criticisms from the political parties and the civil society organizations that will go a long way to strengthen our work. Offline registration. Following the reports that came to the attention of the Commission on the second day of the registration exercise, we took the decision to direct our staff to switch to the offline registration mode to ensure all applicants in the queues get the opportunity to register. As a commission, we
that's why we didn't church on when we call and grandson of. I know a poye, a man tamnum na babe to just say, and it is Yamanyuko, a friend and animal bosom, Edia Brunia, and so. Balasi, man, we are near constituency secretary, Dima, and it is honoring an aquame, who soon can be saw yet, Adiachi, Bia, jump training, Dima, Sunya, Sompa, Chichen Common or the assembly to name. Sane, woman, and TS here, they don't be free. Any and can tampon money a dear H. Row, wooding, one kaya amaka, and none nam sumo mufra, one mabo sum some the abosom the identity woman tea, Eddie Aburunia, Nebro Mubrunia, and some to say Dinwa, in the Panana Kedua Mobano, a so echa.
Grandson of on the 7th, Bibia so come na Bibia honum. But actually, Yabasha na MPP car, or Marco Franco Faba. When them go for eating coma, Bimuso Mufrikin Damposa, into a kimbe ni panino mudin coma, Obisa or freaking Damposa. Now, more MP or Honoma, Alejine, or Mon Homode, or Musi MPP for Bomba to Abama, so dear, and Yan almost Tuntia, MPP, oh, in this idea of Baba, say no Mababa to Maboa. Bimusu free Ujra and Echo. And now, Yen himself, Oria Ghana constitution, and I used in Sissi no so. So Nippon be do on Mass or Bible register, the Obet Maya and so better and Jinipan. Into your process, my change by a share the number of people or more trained banner or the banana, no wedding. Workers are all pack of comfort to almost now no my Bibia at the Basabasaba. In Cranson also the SAS here to buy a tea who coincidence from 2002, by young Kunto Hada, the Passa this time round so we be also. Inti the Ayaso, Yajidi Wahasia, Yadia Bibia, I think say a boy man for na amanfo besuro muntimi yen saa niema no ene ye duabo a yebetimi abo enti ye hwe na anu eden dodo enti de be ya no se saa de a ene ye ye nyina ye wasi a ebebo ye nyina na ye se ye na ye hotoye na ye nkrofo ni bi e de snap eni kosi abo fo ma obodua se wo a wun free nkransa no fo anasa wo ma metena ha sei e se de constitution no e kire a wo akwanya se wo betwere wudi wa ha na se wo ti ase na se de wo ba te ba betwere wudi e wa ha na mpuntu abo ye se jonso abo a wo ko nkransa no fo na ho kira ye fam unfam bi na wo mu pese wo be decide mai na MPP fo ye asan so tena akunya so na ho kira ye wo mu ye da so to aso akwa ho kire mu dia ene ye nananom ene oni.
Yet was so Messi Cratchy, ya one so ewo Avano South East, a mensinum Ora Thomas Usu and San, on also Fakwain so Akasa or Brown Mokochi Muko District Security Council. Jumedia Wodi in say, Amanukua would rob a cabo munia dia Sunjay Abba, she yebegua quemun about try betono to me Ayasunjay.
That's exactly what you both parties no. Ubia young Kama. Ubia come amatia ayema. Then can but who you be no see as I chairman. No see some of LDG for one or more agent no war regulations but for now no ya church
we pepe na constituency chairman edima ni this amanyokuo onmonyafo Fuseni Abdallah one so na no tu mu ka bi fa meeting no
ani asensisa say enene nansa Saturday ni sembisi wo ebi aya yero tanta ka baba yene MPP for no gem na so ma boni secretary ni to ni eba intine na DC ya or police commander our district team MICI against party or assembly said the NCB tie nyina yakasa
Honorable Fred Kofi Achi one so same kwene man ka bidi enye ye ono so ewie no kra
Sorting people, they were absent from the area, and I think that was the genesis of voting. People physically preventing people from entering the area. Nobody stopped them. That's that the security is in charge, and then they were going to go through the same process. We just had 15, and gracefully the two eyes was here. AC match or ACP match. It was here, and the security invited us. And I attended the meeting, but I attended the match, vice chairman, our party organizer was here. Because we take this very seriously, and we are very much prepared to, cooperate with the security officials to nobody was
Rachi no ono and wo jinemo aprem Rachebedwa Akonwa ewo NPP Amanyukonso edimo. Director General of State Interest and Governance Authority SIGA Ora John Boadu ene kasei se Domkito Rachebedwa fie nsem a wono kase Ora Chiribo Akodua Fokuo ya and Managing Director ede koma NIB Bank wa monte asienti ye fra won sentrofo nhie mu wote asienye yi wo se de benti ene wote asienye yi ni nyina ne se omso ogure wakogina manso kwanta ekopere Rachebedwa nso Akonwa na de odi ka be kan sem ibie ye mani pani ba ko Bright Salmons ene wo se anche kora na ye ba beto aba enu nti se obi a ye no se won kopere Rachebedwa Akonwa di position te se ekoma no na daage no eho be ebe ye bibie wo ho eno na John Boadu se ye se nipa no post wa ye de ma no onimu nimu de na wontimi nya de a ejina na wo nimu de no obetimi aye se de ne na ibia ya tetete samu akoni adu no oba beboa e ma bank no watumi asode ejina eni mfum so be ni wom na se ne ye wo Rachebedwa fo ya samu wo mo asoafo dibre ya wo mu di a ene foto sanso afo kura no wono so ye Rachebedwa ni eto on de fasam no a ye kekeka no wote ase a enye ye wonum se owura Chiribo Akodua Fokuo adwuma no obetimi aye.
Well, we are all concerned about the health of SNIP. Their financial situation is not very good as we speak now. And I will entertain any argument that says that by his experience and contributing is incapable of managing and restructuring NIP as we speak now. But for the mere fact that it's a parliamentary candidate begs the question because we have members of parliament who are ministers. We have some of them holding ministries that are sensitive. We have a finance minister, a member of parliament who will be going for campaign. So I think that they can further come up with other reasons rather than
Yera John Boadu ene ye kasa no keteke soafo Yera John Peter Mewu ese ade ebetumi aboa asakire bibiman wo mpuntuo mu se ebeme ye ni akoye keteke nso edwumadi hu wo se ade ebeboa nti oman no yemfi ani hwe ne kan ye wie kura nane fama ankorankore eno ye ade ebetumi aboa na wo pedwumadi bi enwo entoma 2025 African Prosperity Dialogue ewon kran Yera John Peter Mewu ede asemi so ede hwemu
government must be able to come and construct railway lines and leave it to that footprint. Most of them, the agenda for most of the African countries, and I've listened to a number of groups saying that the PPP way to go and addressing this infrastructure. Yes, it may, but not in railway. Because as an investor, my priority is to look at short-term payback rate, huge return on my investment. The difficulty we have in Africa is any time the PPP jumps into an active railway project, the viability gap becomes so huge. And governments
ewo Cape Coast Technical University wasi we ni de kan a waji nipa aduonu nkron se wo momra meye eye postgraduate ewo dwumadi ahudro bi enso enwo te se technology program in construction, technology in management and civil engineering. We no fie mienu na ode kwaji ntitie ode afi besua de na afi so ode ayo research. Professor Kwaku Adutwum Ayimboache yo vice chancellor en wakasa odwumadi no ase wo bra na dwumadi no so ekoso ekirechire mu wei akwanya ebetumi aboa na apeja emeburu no.
When the history of CCTU is being written, today will go down as one of the most significant positive landmarks in the institution's journey. This is because today Cape Coast Technical University is officially admitting its first ever postgraduate students to its community. It is with great pride and joy that we welcome these 29 exceptional individuals to the Master of Technology programs in construction technology and management and civil engineering. This momentous occasion.
Kasiabonwana dean of the school. I want to so kasa be Professor Kwame Nabamfoje. One also in Central for Chichin Komo Efazim Korea.
Programs that will make our graduates more marketable in terms of creating their own jobs. So there's emphasis on more of applied research. That is what we want to so that we look at the problems that are facing with the institutions of society, and they come up with solutions to solve those problems. So ours postgraduate program different from that of the other universities. So at the end of the day, people would really see the benefit of our students or graduates. Usually, other graduates from other institutions complete postgraduate program, and they remain unemployed. But in our case, our focus is to solve the unemployment problem. And so our students who are training should have that skill in order to create their own jobs or even be employable at the end of the day. Programs that will make our graduates more marketable in terms of creating their own jobs. So there's
emphasis on pay 21st clinic and the kasa e de echre say o to asinti twetwe wo je ho anje wo shuje ni pedua ni mu a bomodian se ba bia wo tie bi e ben wo obebo nso de awremu 15 branches across Ghana kuma se ehwan overseas oboase council quarters and cry domi market echi ewo eni ebuto 3A co capsules enu ne